So you haven't officially divorced yet? How long have you been separated then?
17 months. What happened? Wine leaves no good?
Gee, you're a quick learner. Sure you never played before?
Never. I used to take my son to his classes and would always just watch.
So why didn't you ever play?
I don't know. I just...
Is it forbidden?
No, it's not forbidden, Brad.
Rod.
Sorry, Rod. Sports was just never encouraged. So I just thought I couldn't.
So why now?
Well, it was time I chased my own dreams. So what about you? Was tennis always your thing?
Always. I made it to the third round of the Junior State Championship, you know. 1997 was the year. Gosh, you should have seen me play, Selma. And what a tournament it was too. Smashed the first round, killed the second round. You should have seen who I was playing against.
Who?
Josh Baker. Good old Bakey. What a player.
So then what happened?
Well, the third round, my knee injury. But I love what I do now.
Yeah.
And it's helping others achieve their tennis dreams, like you. It's also your serve.
Faisal?
Mum, you're not answering my calls.
Faisal, I'm busy.
But I need you.
Oh, so you only think of your mother when you need her.
Look, it's not like that. I need you to take the proposals to free this family.
And you didn't think about that before you were posting for the whole world to see?
Mum, please.
Faisal, it's not the right time. I'll let you know when I'm ready.
And when will you be ready?
After I win the tournament.
After? After? You mean if?
All right, let's get back in position.
Zoe Smith?
It's actually Zoya Ahmed.
So you went to Melbourne Uni?
Yeah, I did. Why, is there a problem?
No, of course not. I actually tried for Melbourne Uni, but ended up at VU.
Shall we get on?
I'm not saying I won't give you a divorce. It's your right. I just want to try one last time. I don't want to lose you, Noor. I'll do anything.
I made up my mind, Mohammed.
I'll take this weekend off. We'll go somewhere, just the two of us. We'll go away, we'll spend time together, just like we used to. Salam.
Mom, Chef, meeting big profiles this weekend.
What? This weekend?
Yes, Chef. We need to finalize all the reports and accounts. It's not looking good, Chef. Should I schedule it in before us or after us? Chef. Chef.
Hey, Faisal, do you know where the salt is?
I don't know where Mum keeps anything.
That mum of yours has completely lost it, man.
Abba, you burnt the roti.
Oh!
Smoke alarm.
Amma, turn off the volume. Amma, turn off the volume. Amma, what are you doing? Amma, turn off the volume, please. Like this.
There's something in the oven.
Oh, ya Allah.
में तो चिट्ठियां थी। एक थी उदयदास मुखर्जी की। हाँ हाँ, उनके बड़े भाई। दूसरी
What happened here?
Salma, we need to talk. I never thought in my life that I have to tell you that you are neglecting your duties. Our house was perfect, our marriage was perfect, our family was perfect, we were a happy family. What happened to you? Soon after this tennis came to our life, you have to leave the tennis.
I'm not quitting tennis. I'm going to the Australian Open.
You have to leave tennis, Salma. Otherwise,
what?
we have to mend our own ways. We have to find our own life. It's not possible to live together then.
You want a divorce?
Imagine, like, all day I'm looking for salt only. I could not even find the salt.
You want salt? You want a divorce? Divorce this.